So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technomate. So in this video I am going to show you the solution for the FaceApp error. That is, in the most of our smartphones it shows that something went wrong, try again. So now let me show you that I wish to edit the face of this picture. So when I select this picture, it shows that something went wrong, please try again. So in this video I have come up with the solution for this error. So before starting the video, let me tell you one thing, please do subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. So let's get started. So first of all, go to Play Store and search for Turbo VPN. So you guys need to install this app. Since I have installed this app yesterday, so now I am going to open this. I will give the link at the description box below for this app. Now click on the global icon on the top right corner and tap on free. Then select United States. Now you can see it's connecting. Yeah, now it shows that it's connected. Now go back, and if the FaceApp is open, you need to close it. In my, the FaceApp is closed. Now you need to start it, open the app again. So now let me show you that I am going to choose the same picture again to edit. So when I select this, picture, as you can see, now the error has been cleared. So in this way you can solve the error in the FaceApp. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.